Imagine earning passive income while you sleep, travel, or spend time with family. That's the potential of affiliate marketing. This fascinating world offers you the freedom to work from anywhere, earn round the clock, and design your own success story. It's all about promoting products or services you believe in and earning a commission from any sales made through your referral. There are two main paths you can take. You can go solo, relishing in your creative freedom and learning at your own pace, or you can partner with a mentor, gaining structured training and insider tips. Affiliate marketing can transform your life, and it all starts with understanding the basics. If you're the type who loves to learn at your own pace, going solo in affiliate marketing could be your path. Now, let's delve into the steps involved. First, you'll need to choose a niche that resonates with you, something you're genuinely interested in and can comfortably promote. Next, set up your digital platform. This could be a website or a blog. Remember, this is where you'll be engaging your audience and promoting your affiliate products. The design should be user-friendly and the content engaging and informative. Once you've got your platform up and running, it's time to join an affiliate program that aligns with your chosen niche. This is your gateway to earning those juicy commissions. But let's get real. Going solo in affiliate marketing isn't exactly a walk in the park. It offers creative freedom, true, but it can also be challenging and time-consuming. It's like navigating a ship in uncharted waters. But don't let that discourage you. With dedication, persistence, and continuous learning, you can conquer the affiliate marketing world. Remember, going solo in affiliate marketing requires dedication, persistence, and continuous learning. For those who prefer structured training and insider tips, partnering with a mentor in affiliate marketing is an excellent option. A mentor can provide invaluable insights gained from years of experience that you might not find in any book or course. This hands-on guidance can be a real game changer in accelerating your learning curve and improving your chances of success. Now, it's important to remember that while mentoring can be incredibly beneficial, it might slightly limit your creative freedom as you'll be learning someone else's methods. But worry not, this doesn't mean you'll lose your individuality. It's all about finding the right balance. A mentor is not there to dictate your journey, but to guide and support you while you find your own path. So, take the lead, ask questions, challenge ideas, and most importantly, keep your creativity alive. Remember, in the world of affiliate marketing, your unique approach is your greatest asset. A mentor can be your shortcut to success in affiliate marketing, but it's important to maintain your independence and creativity. Whether you choose to go solo or partner with a mentor, there's a lot to learn about affiliate marketing. That's why we're inviting you to join our free course. This course is designed to guide you step by step, no matter your starting point. We'll explore topics such as selecting a niche that suits your interests, building a website that attracts and retains visitors, and promoting affiliate products in a way that maximizes your earnings. Plus, you'll gain access to in-depth guidance and practical tips that you can apply in real time. This isn't just theory, it's hands-on learning. So why wait? Join our free course today and kickstart your journey in affiliate marketing. Check the link in the description. Your future of passive income awaits.